Hey, welcome to episode 33 of In the Shop with Scott. Really hard to believe it's been that many episodes. Thank you guys for following along, and for all you new followers, thanks for joining in. Don't forget to hit those old videos if you want to see more, but the net's done, so let's watch the stringing. Here you go. I started by tying the string to a loop on the net and then passed that through the hole closest to the handle. I pulled it through. I wasn't concerned about getting this tight yet. Then in through the next hole, through the loop, and back through the hole. The process was repeated for each hole that I had drilled in the hoop. This is the first net I did just a single pass through for each loop instead of two passes, but I think it'll be okay in a cleaner look. After I completed my first net, I needed a better way to hold the net during this tying process. The Bessie suction clamp works wonderfully, and there's a link in the description if you want to check it out. I continued working my way around the net in the same manner and only managed to drop the needle once this time. For another first on a net build, I chose to use the black net instead of clear. I really like the contrast with the ash strips. Once all the loops were loosely tied on, I went back and started working to tighten up the string. And I'd love to read your comments on what you liked most about this build. At the final loop, I tied it off in a knot and cut off the excess string. And thank you for watching. If you hadn't already hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do that and help me out.